Why is incentive marketing necessary? When you ask people to do something for you, they often ask why. When you ask people to give you money, they always ask why. The task of a marketer is to begin answering that question before the customer or client can ask. No matter how proficient you may be as a marketer, the answers will never satisfy 100% of potential clients. For some consumers, you will always need to sweeten the deal. How you go about doing this is where a profitable strategy comes in. It is a necessary and valuable strategy you must have to outdo your competition. Because it engages customers that may not otherwise consider your company's products or services. This doesn't mean you have to pay people to interact with your business. Non-monetary rewards and discounts are all effective incentives. When the performance part of the marketing is enjoyable on its own terms, such as a game or contest or giveaway, your strategy really shines. According to the 2016 Incentive Marketplace Estimate research study conducted by the Incentive Federation, U.S. businesses spend approximately $16.1 billion annually on non-monetary customer loyalty incentives. Total spend on incentives increased by 17% since 2013, which indicates that businesses are seeing positive ROI from their efforts. This is corroborated by a 2017 survey from Citigroup which found that 86% of customers say they are more loyal to brands that offer rewards programs. Companies that use incentive marketing include McDonald's, Amazon, and the Greater Bank, just to name a few. By watching this video on incentive marketing, more than likely, you want to increase leads and sales from your existing marketing efforts. You can do so by offering high perceived value incentives to your customers. Imagine for a moment how many more sales and leads you will get by adding this one simple tagline to your existing advertising. Give us a try and receive a 7-day vacation. Think about it. How many valid referrals will you generate just by offering this perceived high-value incentive to your customers? Sounds too good to be true? We know how you feel, we felt the same way. If it sounds too good to be true, it must be. We found that is not always true. Now it's your chance to learn how you can incorporate incentive marketing in your business and start generating more leads and sales. Let us show you exactly how implementing this giveaway strategy in your business. Simply click on the link in the description below to learn more about adding incentive marketing to your business. Go ahead, do it now. Click on the link in the description below. We will see you on the very next page. Thanks for watching.